Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to choose the best protein powder for you. First, identify your fitness goals, such as muscle gain, weight management, or recovery. Next, understand the different types of protein available, like whey or plant-based, and how they align with your dietary needs. Finally, carefully review ingredient lists to ensure product quality and suitability for your health, avoiding unnecessary additives. This step-by-step approach will guide your decision. Let's explore common protein types. Whey protein is popular for muscle building due to its fast digestion. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly, providing a sustained release of amino acids, ideal for overnight recovery. Plant-based options, like pea or rice protein, are excellent for vegans or those with dairy sensitivities. Hydrolyzed proteins are pre-digested for even quicker absorption, often used post-workout. Each type offers unique benefits for your body. Considering your dietary needs is crucial. Always check for common allergens such as dairy, soy, or gluten. Look for products with low sugar content, ideally less than 5 grams per serving, and avoid artificial sweeteners or colors. Prioritize brands that conduct third-party testing, ensuring purity and potency. This verification helps confirm the product contains what it claims and is free from contaminants, giving you peace of mind about your choice. To make your final selection, match the protein type to your activity level and specific goals. For example, a high-intensity athlete might prefer whey. Read reviews and compare different brands to gauge effectiveness and taste. If you have any health concerns, consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Finally, consider purchasing a smaller size first to ensure it suits your taste and digestive system before committing to a larger container.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.